Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to EnglishEase Studio, your favorite place to learn and practice English every single day. I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul. Hello, dear learners. We're so happy you're here with us today. Are you ready for your 10-minute morning English practice?
Exactly. And actually, today's lesson will take a little longer, maybe 15 minutes, because we're going to speak slowly, repeat important words, and help you start your day in English mode.
That's right. You can listen to this podcast while brushing your teeth, having breakfast, or walking to school or work. Just relax, and let's start speaking English together.
Let's begin with some simple morning greetings. Repeat after us. Are you ready?
Let's go.
Good morning. Pause. How are you today? Pause. I feel great this morning. Pause. The sun is shining. Pause. It's a beautiful day.
Excellent. Now let's make a small conversation. Emily, shall we show them how to greet someone naturally?
Of course. Let's do it.
Good morning, Emily. How are you today?
Good morning, Paul. I'm doing great. Thank you. How about you?
I'm fine too, thank you. Did you sleep well?
Yes, I did. I had a good night's sleep, and I'm ready for a wonderful day.
That's perfect. Okay, listeners, now it's your turn. Repeat after us and imagine you are talking to your friend in the morning.
Let's learn some useful morning routine words. These are actions you do every morning. Repeat after us. Slowly.
Wake up. Get up. Brush my teeth. Wash my face. Take a shower. Get dressed. Have breakfast. Go to work. Go to school.
Now let's put them in full sentences.
Slowly. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I brush my teeth and wash my face. I take a shower. I get dressed and eat breakfast. Then I go to work.
Perfect. Try saying these sentences with us. Even if your pronunciation isn't perfect, don't worry. Just keep speaking. Speaking is like exercising. The more you do it, the stronger you become.
Okay, Emily, let's make a short conversation about morning routines. Our listeners can repeat after us or answer with their own routine.
Sounds great. Let's go.
What time do you wake up?
I usually wake up at 6:30. What about you?
I wake up at 7. Then I make some coffee.
Nice. I prefer tea in the morning.
Tea or coffee, both are perfect for starting the day.
After that, I take a shower and get dressed.
Then you have breakfast, right?
Yes, I eat some toast and fruit.
Healthy choice. I usually eat eggs for breakfast.
Yum. Now you, dear listeners, what do you eat for breakfast? Say it out loud right now. I eat. Come on, say it.
That's right. Keep talking. Even if no one hears you, you hear yourself. And that's what makes your brain stronger in English.
Now let's practice speaking positive sentences to start the day. We call them affirmations. They help you build confidence and think positively in English.
Repeat after us. Nice and slow.
Today is a good day. I am ready to learn. I can speak English. My English is getting better every day. I believe in myself. I am happy and thankful.
Beautiful. Say them again if you can. These words may be simple, but they create big change in your mind. Now let's talk about grammar. Very simple but useful. We use the present simple tense to talk about daily routines.
For example, I wake up at 7. I eat breakfast. I go to work.
Right. When we talk about habits, things we do every day, we use the present simple form. I plus verb in the base form.
Like, I wake up, I brush my teeth, I take a shower.
And for he or she, we add s to the verb. He wakes up. She eats breakfast. He goes to school.
Perfect. Let's try it together. Repeat after me. She wakes up at 7. He goes to school. She brushes her teeth.
Perfect. You're doing great.
Now, listen carefully and answer my questions aloud. Don't worry if your answer is short. Just try. What time do you wake up? What do you eat for breakfast? Do you drink tea or coffee in the morning? Do you go to work or school?
Great job. Even if your answers are not perfect, you're speaking. That's the goal.
Now let's have a short role play. Paul, let's act like we meet in the morning, okay?
All right, let's go.
Good morning, Paul.
Good morning, Emily. How are you?
I'm great, thank you. What about you?
I'm fine too. Thank you. Did you have breakfast yet?
Yes, I had toast and a cup of tea. You?
I had eggs and coffee. Are you ready for work?
Yes, I'm excited for today.
Awesome. Let's have a productive day.
Yes, let's do our best.
Nice. That's an example of a simple conversation you can use every morning.
Let's repeat some important phrases together. Slowly. Repeat after me. Good morning. How are you today? I feel great. It's a beautiful day. I'm ready to start my day. Let's do our best.
Now say them again. A little faster this time. You can even smile while speaking. It helps your pronunciation sound friendly. In parentheses, smiley face.
Here's your challenge for today. When you wake up tomorrow morning, try to speak English for 5 minutes. Describe what you see, what you're doing, and how you feel.
Example. I'm waking up. The sun is shining. I feel happy. I'm brushing my teeth. I'm making breakfast. Simple, right? But powerful.
If you do this every morning, your English will grow fast, and speaking English will become natural.
Let's review what we learned today. We practiced morning greetings, morning routine vocabulary, simple daily conversation, grammar, present simple tense, affirmations for confidence, pronunciation and speaking practice.
That's a lot for one morning. Remember, the key is not perfection, but practice. Every time you speak, you become better.
So keep going. Listen again tomorrow or try speaking with a friend. And if you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to follow EnglishEase Studio for more English podcasts every week.
Leave a comment saying, I practice English every day. Let's see how many of you are joining our Morning English family, Yellow.
Thank you so much for joining us today.
Have a wonderful day, stay positive, and keep learning.
Bye-bye and see you next time on EnglishEase Studio. In parentheses, microphone. In parentheses, sparkles.